Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, today we are doing a Korean recipe, okay? Yes, my daughter loves Korean food. If your daughter loves Korean food, just comment down below, okay? So today we are doing beef bulgogi, okay? It's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this delicious meal. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. If you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And I know you're going to like it. Let's get started. So to start, I have my beef. I'm using lots of beef, as you can see, because it's mainly beef, all right? And you cut it so thinly. Just look at what I'm doing and just follow suit. You are going to love this recipe. So let's make the sauce. I have soy sauce. I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box, and I add some grated garlic, okay? And then you are going to add some grated onions. Yes, this recipe is really from a friend, a Korean friend, and I tell you it's amazing. And I add 1 grated apple, all right? And also I am going to add some sugar and some powdered pepper, and this pepper is straight from Korea. I'm telling you, this is delicious. Try it. And sesame oil. So that's it. It's very easy. All right, so our sauce is done, and I'm going to pour it onto the beef. Okay, so my beef is already cut into thin slices, and I'm going to pour that into it. Mind you, this is the day before, okay? So I just pour the sauce onto the beef, and I'll just mix it nicely, cover it nicely, and then put it into the fridge for 24 hours. I'll do this the next day. So guys, this is the next day. About to fry my beef bulgogi. All right, so I add some chopped onions, okay? And I'm also going to add some chopped carrots. Yeah, to make it so colorful and delicious. This is so flavorful, okay? So come along and let's do this. Our beef bulgogi is done. Just look at that. I'm adding some spring onions, some greens, to make it taste amazing. And guys, this is so good. I did pair it up with some rice, and it is so delicious. You have to try it. Just change it. Change the Ghanaian food, and try other food. I tell you, you are going to love it. It's so delicious and very flavorful. If you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye. So guys, this is our next recipe. If you want to know it, do subscribe and come along with me next time.